Dive into the essentials of Cloud Spanner, exploring its core features, benefits, and real world applications through detailed use cases and success stories. Understanding Cloud Spanner is crucial for modern data management. This section provides foundational knowledge to grasp its significance and functionality. Google Cloud Spanner is a unique relational database service combining NoSQL scalability with SQL semantics, ensuring high availability and reliability for mission-critical applications. Cloud Spanner's core concepts include maintaining relational semantics, offering global distribution, and supporting diverse use cases requiring strong consistency and horizontal scalability. Technical insights into Cloud Spanner reveal how it achieves external consistency and low latency access, integrating seamlessly with Google Cloud Services for a robust data ecosystem. Getting started with Cloud Spanner involves understanding its use cases, accessing learning resources, and engaging in an interactive Q&A session to address foundational queries. This section delves into Cloud Spanner's key features and benefits, showcasing its unparalleled scalability, performance, and global accessibility. Cloud Spanner's unlimited scalability allows applications to grow without sharding, while global read and write capabilities ensure low-latency data access worldwide. With relational semantics and SQL support, Cloud Spanner enhances query performance through secondary indexes and maintains strong consistency for critical transactions. Security and compliance are paramount. Cloud Spanner ensures data encryption, adheres to compliance standards, and offers fine-grained access control for robust data security. Optimize costs with Cloud Spanner by understanding its pricing model, implementing resource management best practices, and learning from case studies of cost-efficient solutions. Explore diverse use cases and industry applications of Cloud Spanner, from financial services and e-commerce to healthcare, showcasing its versatility and reliability. Customer success stories highlight how global brands and innovative startups leverage Cloud Spanner to achieve operational resilience, business growth, and exceptional performance. Best practices and recommendations for Cloud Spanner include architectural patterns, data modeling strategies, and operational insights to maintain a robust and efficient environment. Future trends and the roadmap of Cloud Spanner preview upcoming innovations influenced by customer feedback and industry trends, ensuring the platform remains cutting edge. Thank you for engaging with our presentation. For further inquiries or feedback, please contact us at ddubda@gmail.com.